Morning everyone. Okay, I am going to put some oil on this piece of jarrah. This was the piece of jarrah that I carved out. I'm going to put air plants in it. I'm not going to be getting my beeswax anytime soon, I don't think. So I'm impatient and I'm going to put tung oil on it. Tung oil is good because it is food safe. I know I'm not going to use this for food, but as I'm putting air plants in it, I don't want anything, I don't want any nasty chemicals in it. So let's see how it comes out. So I've poured some tung oil into this little jar, and now I'm going to use my paintbrush to apply it. So for those of you that have watched my earlier videos where I wasn't doing woodwork, I was just walking around the block showing you different things, and I talk about myself and things that were happening in my life. So if you haven't watched it, I have autoimmune hepatitis. I've had it since, well, I was diagnosed with it in 2023, and after a long time on steroids, etc, they finally got my levels level, or I should say stable. They went up to, so a normal person's liver is between liver levels is between 5 and 30, and mine got up to 2,555. But yeah, doctors were absolutely fantastic. But that's just the history. So yesterday I had an appointment with the specialist. I've had a blood test done 2 weeks ago, and my liver level has jumped from 45 or 43 to 104. Now there could be a number of different reasons for this, but we've got to start. It's like when you service a car, you have to start with the simplest things first and to try and work out what it is. It could be just a spike, which my other specialist did say can happen from time to time. You just get a spike and there's no reason for it, it just happens. Or it could be because I like a glass of wine. So he said to not drink for 6 weeks. So I'm on the wagon, so to speak, for 6 weeks, and then I'll have another blood test. He'll give me a call, find out where my levels are, and then we can go from there. If it's still up, then he needs to treat me with some different medication to get it back down again and see where we go. But I feel all right. Well, saying that, I've always got a stomach ache. I've always got acid reflux, so I feel all right today, mind you. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted on that. Oh, this is looking beautiful. I'll show you a close-up of it when I've finished applying. Jarrah is a very dark, reddy colour wood. So this isn't darkening the wood, it's just sending it to its natural colour. It was quite urgent that I put something on it because those cracks are drying out, and I really, really don't want that to put some more on those cracks just to fill them in, make sure they don't split anymore. I'll get a couple of the long air plants to hang through here so it'll hang down. I can see it in my mind, it's going to look amazing. I've just got to pick the air plants. I'm taking a bit long over that. One of these that I like to actually go to a shop, look and decide that way rather than buying online. But, you know, we've only got Bunnings over here. And although Bunnings sell air plants, they're quite expensive. So, and this is got quite a big bit that you're going to put your air plants into. So it'll take quite a few. Ooh. So you can see how red that grain is. That's absolutely beautiful. Right, I'm going to turn it over now. So this is this side. It was very, very difficult to get all inside here. I probably not got it 100%, but that doesn't matter because there's only air plants going in. These patches here are where it's already drying. But man, that looks so rich. I'm guessing it will dull off. I'm going to leave it for 24 hours, I think. And then I'm going to turn it over and check what the varnish is like on the other side. So I'm going to leave that 24 hours to soak in. Maybe not that long, maybe a bit longer, don't know. I'll turn it over, see if I need to touch up any more, and then I will show you it when I finish it.